Hi guys, welcome to my video. Myself Venkatesh Gowda and I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and I am from CSE branch. In today's video, we shall discuss about the introduction to the computers, types of computers, input and output devices, and block diagram of a computer. So let's start the video. So first is the introduction part. What is a computer? A computer is a machine or a device that performs processes, calculations, and operations based on instructions provided by a software or a hardware program. It has the ability to accept the data, which is also called as input, process it, which means it performs the calculations and operations on the input or a data that is given by the user, and then produce the processed information is also called as output. So here we can see the devices of a computer system. They are a monitor, the speaker, the keyboard, a mouse, and a control system, which is also called as CPU. Next, we shall discuss about the types of computers. So first is the mainframe computer. A mainframe computer, informally called a mainframe or big iron, is a computer that is used primarily by a large organization for critical applications like bulk data processing for tasks such as industry and consumer statistics, enterprise resource planning, and large-scale transaction processing. So here we can see how a mainframe computer looks. Next is a supercomputer. A supercomputer is a computer with a high level of performance as compared to a general purpose computer. The performance of a supercomputer is commonly measured in floating point operations per second, FLOPS, instead of a million instructions per second, MIPS. So here you can see how a supercomputer looks. So the supercomputer, as the name itself indicates, as it is super, which means it has a high level of performance, high speed, and high capacity of work. Next is the mini computer. A mini computer is a type of a computer that possesses most of the features and capabilities of a large computer but is smaller in physical size. A mini computer fills the space between the mainframe and the microcomputer and is smaller than the former but larger than the latter. Mini computers are mainly used as smaller or mid-range servers operating business and scientific applications. So here we can see how a mini computer looks. Next is the microcomputer. A microcomputer is a small, relatively inexpensive computer having a central processing unit, CPU, made out of a microprocessor. The computer also includes memory and input-output circuitry together mounted on a printed circuit board, PCB. So here we can see how a microcomputer looks. As the name indicates, it is micro, it is smaller in size. Next is the personal computers. A personal computer or a PC, it is a multi-purpose microcomputer whose size, capabilities, and price make it feasible for individual use. Personal computers are intended to be operated directly by an end user rather than by a computer expert or a technician. So the basic examples of a personal computer include your personal devices, laptop, tablet, etc. Now we shall discuss about the input devices. An input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as computer or information appliances. Some of the examples of input devices are keyboards, mouse, scanners, cameras, joysticks, and microphones. So here you can see the various kinds of input devices which are used to enter the data into the computer system. Next, we shall discuss about the output devices. An output device is any piece of computer hardware that converts information data into a human perceptual form or historically into a physical machine readable form for use with another non-computerized equipment. It can be text, graphics, tactile, audio, or video. So here you can see the various kinds of output devices. They are monitor, multimedia projector, scanner, printer. Now we shall study about the block diagram of a computer. A block diagram of a computer system includes the input unit, arithmetic logical unit, control unit, memory unit, and an output unit. The example for input unit is keyboard or mouse. Output unit examples are monitor and a printer. The input unit. The data that is to be processed is put through the input unit, CPU. Central Processing Unit or the CPU is the brain of the computer. It works the same way a human brain works. As the brain controls all the human activities, similarly, the CPU controls all the tasks. Moreover, the CPU conducts all the arithmetic and logical operations in the computer. ALU, Arithmetic Logical Unit. The Arithmetic Logical Unit is made of two terms, the arithmetic and logic, which controls all the arithmetic calculations and logical operations in this unit. Control Unit. The control unit, as the name suggests, is the controller of all the activities, tasks, and operations. Memory unit. All the data that has to be processed or has been processed is stored in the memory unit. The memory unit acts as the hub of all the data. It transmits it to the required part of the computer whenever necessary. Output unit. The output unit displays the data either in the form of a soft copy or a hard copy. The printer is for the hard copy, the monitor is for the display. I hope the video is informative. Thank you.